Well, we got a new toy for our trip next week. We have had a Weber portable grill that has not worked very good, and I did a lot of reviewing online, and this one seemed to have the best ratings, although most of them were not that great. But anyway, I figured we'd give this a try. It was on sale at Home Depot for 166 bucks and regularly like $239 or something like that. And as soon as I ordered it, very quickly after that, it sold out. So I'm glad I got it for the trip. All right, so let's open this sucker up, see what's inside.
The grill is inside.
I hope a grill is inside. Just as long as it's not a monkey. It can be a gorilla, just not a monkey. Oh, my sense of humor is wonderful. Check that out. Ooh, directions. Let's flip this around. Look, it has a temperature gauge on top, just like our Weber does at home. All right, need two hands here. Hold on. Well, here it is. Got latches. And oh, that's not going to twist. No. I'm going to have to remove this. There we go. I still have all my fingers, yes. Dun, 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 dun. Has stainless steel grate too. That's cool. No, it's not cool. It's great. Haha. This has a lot of packaging materials. Cool beans. This has 2 burners. So we can do indirect heating if we'd like. Gosh, that's shiny. Excellent. This thing is supposed to heat up to 700 degrees. That is hot. I hope this doesn't have, or it does have a regulator. Yes, it has a regulator. I'm hoping that I can hook this directly to our camper, but watch, this fitting probably won't fit. Right there. I won't know until I go up to the camper with it, because we have a long hose that comes out of the camper that has an adapter on it for the griddle, but I don't know if it's going to work for this one. Well, there it is. Another gadget for the trip. I like it. It's a nice sized grill, Michelle. It's actually, it looks like it almost has as much space as the Weber outside does. There we go. It's only supposed to weigh like 20 pounds too. Has a built-in igniter. Oh, by the way, if you guys think this is the new addition to the channel, you'll have to stay tuned for Sunday, because this is not the new addition to the Mark's Adventures channel. You'll have to wait till Sunday morning. Be sure to tune in bright and early. Oh, by the way, I'm looking at the gadgets or the accessories you can get for this. I think I'm going to get this. It's a cover as well as a tote. As long as you can like lift it up with that and carry it, that would be awesome.